Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
State Commission for a person with disability आणि सोशल वेलफेअर डिपार्टमेंट आणि एंटरटेनमेंट सोसायटी ऑफ गोवा आम्ही सगळे एकत्रितपणे एक पर्पल फेस्टिवल म्हणून करतात. इट इज अ 3 days फेस्टिवल which will start on 6th of January 2023, 6th, 7th and 8th of January 2023, and it is a biggest festival ever happened in all over country, and that will have at least a footfall of 5,000 people. Throughout the entertainment programs zatlo, cultural activities will be performed by all our disabled people. All 3 days continuously we will have from all sections, from all over the country, all those who come for participation will have fantastic entertainment program, cultural programs. तांचे खातीर अवॉर्ड्स आसतले. हे सगळे डिझायन केल्लेच आसा. त्याच बरोबर स्पेशल फिल्म स्क्रीनिंग एट ESG आमी तेंय पळयतले. तांचे खातीर इन कन्वर्सेशन, मास्टर क्लासेस, तांचे खातीर डिबेट्स, होय प्रोग्राम आमी तांचे खातीर ऑर्गनायज करतले.